Hi everyone, my name is Vinia Coley, and I will be getting my learning outcome from 4.6 Nucleic Acids and Protein Synthesis. Number 11, Compare and Contrast DNA and RNA. DNA. DNA is a self-replicating material which is present in nearly all living organisms as the main constituent of chromosomes. It is the carrier of genetic information. Now, RNA, on the other hand, is a nucleic acid present in all living cells. Its principal role is to act as a messenger carrying instructions from DNA from controlling the synthesis of proteins. DNA versus RNA. Now, to compare and contrast the two, I have this chart. DNA and RNA are both nucleic acids made up of nucleotides. A nucleotide consists of a 5-carbon sugar, a phosphate group, and one of several nitrogenous bases. DNA is made up of deoxyribose sugar, while RNA is made up of ribose sugar. This is interesting because this is how both nucleic acids get their names. DNA stands for deoxyribose nucleic acid, and RNA stands for ribonucleic acid. As you can see in the chart, DNA and RNA, also similar, have two different structures. DNA has a double-stranded sugar phosphate, while RNA is a usually single-stranded sugar phosphate. DNA's structure is normally long, while RNA structure can come in many sizes. Bases. As we move to this slide, the nitrogenous bases, you can see that DNA and RNA have both guanine, cytosine, and adenine. However, taking a closer look, DNA actually uses thymine, while RNA uses uracil. During base pairing in both RNA and DNA, cytosine forms 3 hydrogen bonds with guanine, and in RNA, adenine forms 2 hydrogen bonds with uracil, and DNA, adenine forms 2 hydrogen bonds with thymine. These pairs are called complementary base pairs. Another contrast between DNA and RNA is that there are 3 types of RNA. First is messenger RNA, or mRNA, which is a long single-stranded molecule formed into a helix. It is manufactured in a nucleus and carries the genetic code from the DNA to the ribosomes in the cytoplasm. Next is ribosomal RNA, or rRNA, which is found in the cytoplasm and is a large complex molecule made up of both double and single helixes. Now, rRNA is made in the nucleolus inside the nucleus. Synthesis of new proteins in the cell occurs on the ribosomes, which are made up of both rRNA and proteins. Next is transfer RNA, or tRNA, which is a small single-stranded molecule. It forms a clover leaf shape, as you can see in the picture, with one end of the chain ending in CCA sequence, at which point the amino acid it carries attaches itself. At the opposite end of the chain is a sequence of 3 bases, called the anticodon. tRNA molecules bring amino acids to the ribosome so that proteins can then be synthesized. And that you have it is the difference between DNA and RNA. Here are my references that I used to complete this slide. Thank you.